one time, don't have been there with me. So them two ringer. And that's not this ringer, I'm married with.
Yeah.
But I'm not no husband now, so if you want me, I'm married to you.
Alright.
So anyway, the boy said to me, said, two boys said to me, cash with old mother. I said, if you have a fucking cook it, I'm going to come with your boy. And I pass man and grab my hand. Grass. And me and him, me hold on under the finger, so me and him, and I try to dig out the ring them off from my finger. And he can't get them out.
Really? And how much a time?
86.
Yeah. 86?
Yes. And in the pin pocket. And take up one nice carving knife, go cut off my finger.
What?
Grass wood. And me draw that. Somebody again, me say, I kill a rat, and I tell someone I'm fucking hungry. And you know, you get any picnic yet? He said, no, mother. I said, well, you're not going to get none again, you know. And you're going to your man that table, you balance your life. I'm going to kill you. And me draw that again. He said, mother, you're okay. I said, I kill a rat. And I tell someone I'm fucking cooking, I'm not hungry. And me draw that again, the third time I noticed the boy. And every fucking thing come up in my hand, so. And he just drop down the ground. So you fuck, I'm not saying I kill your ass, man. I want man who went from was Simon's Plaza. And give him one lick in my face. I don't know I have to take off, you know. He said, well, I go call police for you. I said, no, pretty boy. I think that they didn't can't kill me. You understand? The man give me $1,000 so much I go buy a drink for me too active for me yet.
86?
86.
And destroy a young boy?
2 young green boy.
Defeat them.
Ramp with me.
Defeat
Oh, they want a ring?
Want me 2 ring. This is for my husband and this is for me. My husband passed out 2010.
Yeah, man. So that was actually 86-year-old woman telling a story of how you know, a young man actually tried to, you know, approach her, you know, violently, trying to steal her married ring. Yeah, man. So if you're 86-year-old woman actually can defend herself like that, yeah, man. Grandma, bad. Anyway, yeah, man. Welcome back to the channel, Gabidan Family TV. Bless upon yourself, you know, with another video. Yeah, man. So anyway, guys, I'm actually gonna have some videos I'm actually gonna go through. Some funny moments, yeah, man. Well, actually, it's actually more of stories, you know, not really funny moments, but yeah, funny moments in this story as well. But you get the understand what I try to say. Anyway, I have some stories I actually kind of just I go through some clips, and I decided some more kind of share it with you guys. Yeah, man, very interesting stories. You know, something for actually really laugh about. Yeah, man. So anyway, enough about comment on that. So we're gonna just just go through some clips and we're gonna play some stories, you know. Yeah, man, that are the aim today. Yeah, man, bless upon yourself. Yeah, man. So alright, so this is actually the second story.
I go tell you the easiest way. If you no feel say a jacket you no get, cause me I go tell you the story what me did do.
Jacket.
One girl, they tell me say she pregnant for me now. Yes, one girl from town me did there with.
Oh.
And me say I walk in a country, I plant pumpkin, I plant corn, I plant sweet pepper, I plant tomatoes, cause me so excited say me I go be a daddy. Yes, and me I tell you no man. Me did a wonder still in and say, yo, one time, like look at something they get when you do the bam bam, you know, but you know, when you know, say maybe one little slight accident maybe didn't happen, but you don't know if you did connect, you know, but me say me I work with the floor. Guess what? Me walk, me buy up baby clothes, me save up account full of money for baby, and me say, yo, I'm gonna be a daddy, you know, man. Guys, when the baby born, the baby have some gray eye. What you call it? Brown eye? In a country we call it gray eye. Yeah, so the baby have gray eye. The baby brown. So Me go and spend money on the baby till the baby almost about 8 months. Massa, a brown man bikini that. Cause all me a look, me no see me nice little dark complexion, you know. Even though me come from a brown family, but the grey eye just opposed to me, guys. So, one day, you know, mama dey a yard, you know, so me have some money, you know, cause me dey go paint to a house, and me say, boy, babes, me a go Mandeville with baby, you know. He say, yeah, carry him so him a go holla holla. Me say, no, me a walk out with my youth. Cause guess what, no? My friend them always a laugh out at me. So, me a go show them say me a daddy now. You're hot girl. You show off like. So me dressy baby and me turn. Guess what DNA place me a go, you know. And me call Mr. DNA place. Me say the baby come like he know the thing, you know. The day the baby just calm. And me do the DNA. When me do the DNA, full blown jacket. Me say jacket written all over the DNA test. Yeah. I don't quarrel because me not say, boy, look like you get catch.
Yeah,
But me look on here and me say, my mother never grew a fool. And I not gonna be a fool in this world. So guess what now? When me come back down, you know, me carry all me buy KFC. And when me come down back, me carry the DNA result. And guess how me wicked too? Me wait till late in the night. Or after 10. That the time then, you know, mama cock up in her bed, you know, in a 90. Me show the DNA result to her. Me say me get a letter for you. He say for who? Me say look pan you know, man. When mama look pan you see? You see the result. Me look pan him and me say, yeah, my mother never grew a fool. So me say, me not go spare none of you. Me say, you and the baby, I go. Me say, you can't go pay me for the money when me spend already. So me say, you and the baby, I go. Me sorry. But you not go. Me say, after you give me jacket, you not turn in my position. You, I go. And me say, tomorrow morning, start pack your things then. About this. Me don't know how that happen. Come in a bun. So me say, wait. A dopey grind, you? A dopey? Me say, I must want a dopey grind, you? Yeah. And the next day, me see him there. And I left go walk. When I come up, me see couple bag pack for real. Yeah, me say, yes, man. Me case and come out. So, guys, this is the way and how you find out say picking you look like a uno. You just take the baby. Like a normal day, like you go buy the baby ice cream and go do your DNA test. Too much jacket in this country. You don't even know picking your food. So don't be a fool. Don't say nothing to the mother until you do the DNA test. Okay? You learn now, but we find out if you pick in your jacket. This is the end of the story. Share for more story.
Yeah, man. So that was actually a very interesting story by this young man based on his experience. Actually, you know, where he actually did the right thing. I'll actually totally agree with him. You know, there are ways of dealing with a situation. And him carrying that child, you know, without the mother actually being aware that is his intention. You know, I don't actually say anything wrong with that. You know, but he did the right thing. Yeah, man. But it was actually a funny story as well. You know, that was actually a funny story. Yeah, man. So anyway, guys, just gonna go through another story, you know. So the whole aim of this video is actually about some stories anyway still. So yeah, man. So this is another story by another, you know. He's actually a elderly man. Not elderly, but he's a big man, you know. Yeah, man. So we actually have a story and we're kind of share it.
You see me? I want humble, reserve youth. I'm not too jump in a people argument, but for some reason, look while me intervene in our argument. I'll tell you why me intervene. So this girl, 21-year-old, working girl, have her 2-year-old daughter. Her friend them a tell her say, what happened if you just leave it alone? She said nobody can tell her nothing. Her blood running her, so she a go do what she a go do. What means that her 2-year-old daughter go spend time with her father. So, her father, a woman which would be the stepmother, decide if he beat the daughter and she must put her hand in a young lady, in a the young lady daughter face. So the young lady piss off because she say nobody should never box her daughter. Nobody can tell her nothing. So she go stab up. The girl, she say a 3 day, she a walk with her scissors. Cause anywhere she buck the girl, she a put at least 2 in the girl. And all her friends them a tell her say, yo, Lowy sugar, Lowy. She say nobody can tell her nothing. Her blood running her. So because her blood running her, she have to do what she have to do. So I say, my friend, and many people get the opportunity to make a choice, but them choose the wrong choice. You have to understand, say, God in a earth and devil they in a earth. So you as a human being, more time, have to decide which choice to make. And common sense most can tell you say a godliness if you do. She a say, boy, all people a tell her she don't want to hear nothing. The girl bright and should never put her hand in her bikini face. So all she a go do, I make sure say she juke the girl at least 1 or 2 times. Me say, me ask her a question. Do you love your child? She said she love her child with all her heart. That's why she a go discipline the girl. Me say, if you love your child with all of your heart, you would never put yourself in a jeopardy or put yourself in a danger to not being there for your child. She kind of start all her meds so. Me say, if you love your child, look on it. You're a working girl.
Cho. Yeah, man. You can't put yourself in a position where, you know, you go actually put yourself in a problem if you actually try solve a problem. And also you solve a problem. Yeah, man. That is true.
If you love your child, what make you that left and go put yourself in a trouble now where you're going to end up at prison, you're going to end up dead, and your child are going to suffer because you're not there to mother her. She start all her meds this. And people, when I stop, I let off our youth. She take out the scissors and throw away the scissors. And me like that. Me like that. Because guess what? More time, all it take people have to think. Try remember this. God there in the earth and the devil is loose in the earth. But we as people have to think before we make a foolish decision. Think. Always do godliness. Love demonic and devil work alone. And more time, think about your loved one them. Reflect on the people them where you care about before you do your silly action. Because when you do your silly action, you can't undo. So always choose what? Godliness. I feel good. If you know say, at least the young lady listen to me. And at least she say throw away the scissors because what? She chose the fact that she love her daughter, which is godliness. And she let it go. Sometimes people, all you have to do, I think before you do silly things. Always remember this. God they in the earth, but devil they in the earth. Always choose godliness. Always do the right thing and choose what? Godliness.
Yeah, man. 150% pan, you know, the video there. Yeah, man. So, what it actually saying that he actually, will actually say he actually save that mother from doing something that she would actually regret for the rest of her life. Yeah, man. But the honest truth still is not everybody, you know, you can actually reason with them kind of way there. And they actually can look into themselves and decide, so, well, yeah, what you're actually saying is true. Yeah, man. So, me actually will I give this video, you know, 10 out of 10. Yeah, man. Nice story. Very inspirational. Yeah, man. Anyway, so I'll move on to another story. Yeah, man. That are the aim. I hope you guys actually, you know, enjoying the stories still you actually can learn something from it. The process still so. It is actually both entertaining and educational. Yeah man. So we're actually gonna play another story. Yeah man. So move on to the next one.
You ever see a man decide to do too good deed and left for himself in a state of confusion? But God is good, so he's here. We tell you the story. So here I go on. I know it's the last time I die yard and Virgin come check me and say, yo, can't carry a man live. So dog, you must say I'm mad man. What make? But I carry a man live. Man I say, yo, you don't understand man. Do me a big man. Carry me a man live. My little daughter, asthma depend on her so. I just go there to help out the situation. Because if I need say that, I understand the situation, so it makes a zoop. Step out of my house, you know. Only thing I step out, you know, my piece of shorts and my piece of shirt, you know. I don't take up nothing what I normally have with me, you know. So I jump in the car. You don't know man liver, we normal routine. So I shot the guy man liver, you know. Drop off my little virgin. You know when I give me a little thing, I just say, yo, show in the car, man, so. I show a little thing when I give me in the car, because show me and say, me not really have to travel with the money, because you don't know, say. I just go and jump on man liver in my yard, I go back, so it makes sense. I just go back on my yard. So people, drive up in a man every town, you know. I got me yard. Look cross in a town, me see this young lady sit down. With one baby. And for some reason, me I look on the time say, yo, after 11 in the night, you know, what go on? Why she just sit down over there so? All by herself with the baby. So me drive against her and say, miss, you alright? I say, driver, I want to reach up, but I don't got no money. You know how long me there? I hope this is somebody. They carry me up, but I don't got no money. So I say, which part you go? You know, so when she tell me which part she go, John know. It's like you're not really interested. Figure around this, because truth to be told, I not really know. Around this still, you know. So I'm not too interested to figure around it, but true with me, with myself, don't go ask her if she alright. I mean, done see the state, me I said, John know. See if I can help her. People, make she come in her car, drive out of town, so you don't know. Turn off, gone around a fair place. People, and me turn off, gone a fair place. Me drive through one road there, so. Me drive through one road there, so. Then we go down on one other road, and we go down on another road. A be water. Second in the road, and it look deep. Because I remember see a piece of rain there fall a man the yesterday, and so. We can't go through this, so she show me one mile road where we can't go through. So me I said, John, what this me take up on myself? Anyway, me divert and go through the mall roads until me catch back on a piece of asphalt. And just like how me catch back on a piece of asphalt, me end up catch a one corner and reach a one shop, and she say, alright, so me I go drive, I respect. You know, so you don't know, you know. And my second good deed that me I do for the night, you know, people. So what you think say happen? Me now decide say me I go drive out back now. And I got me yard. People, when me drive out, I reach somewhere and me I say, yo, I wish one of the road I take again. Remember, you know? First me I go around there. And for some reason it come like the intuition never too sharp. Because everywhere dark, you know, remember I say no correct no around there, you know. So the intuition never too sharp to take up the right landmark them. So people, I drive around for one road when me look. Me down in a one place where be a house there. Me I say, what this? Again, me drive around for one another road. When me drive around for another road, all me hear be a dark. Row, 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 row. Be a dark a back. Me did there try hitch a turn. When me did there hitch a turn, me saw a little man a prep. Like him a look through the window for try see. I walk go on out there. Anyway, me hitch a turn and come up back. When I time me find myself there on one piece of roadway. Look a red dirt there, for me wheel hit. Go slow down one night time. When me wheel it, go slow down one night time, the wheel don't want to get no more feel. Me have to run back down the car. Back way. When I run back down the car back way now, me make some zoop. And get back some power. And drive back over it and people. Me did a circle, me did a circle, me did a circle. So till what things happen? No signal there on the phone. Barely can glimpse the floor. Not digital. Me there in this dark place. Cause no light not around there. And me a circle around and me a circle around. You hear me to myself? Father God, what is me take up on myself? One man I say, yo, here we do. See if you find back down at the part where the residential house them there and just find a spot down there, park the car, broke down your seat and sleep in your car. Man, you will find a way out. And me I say, come on, Biggs, man. Come on, Biggs, you're a God-fearing youth. Come on, Biggs, you believe in a God, man.
Yeah.
Give yourself one more try. Father God, see what you do. And Father God, I will lead you home. And people, me drive out back, you know, me I follow the asphalt road, you know. Then, me follow the asphalt road, me buck up back on the mall road. So when me buck up at the back on the mall road, me glad. So me drive out through the mall road now. And after me drive out through the mall road, me start buck up back on Sour road. Where I look for me there. So till, eventually people, me catch pan the main. Whatever you know say all when me catch pan the main, you come like me now and state of confusion. Me dey pan the main when me drive every day and me say taxi me operate, you know. But you come like me in a state of confusion. And me just take me little time and rock and come in. And take time come my yard still. So as me tell you, sometimes we're doing a good deed, you know, but sometimes the good deed take advantage of it. But big up Father God still, because you don't know, he was there with me and he ensured so me reach back to my home safe last night.
Yeah, man, that was a very nice story, you know. So, what he was actually saying, the whole point of his story, is that sometimes we actually put ourselves in a situation to help others, and in the process, you know, we actually find ourselves in a difficulty as well. It is not bad to actually assist another person, right? But sometime in the process of helping others, we end up, you know, find ourselves in a difficulty. But anyway, he didn't give up based on his story. He believe in the Father, as he said, he give Father thanks, you understand, God fearing. And he just try again and he actually find a way back home. Yeah man, that was actually a nice story. Yeah man, big up yourself. So anyway, I kinda go through another story. Yeah man. Yeah man, very, very interesting story. Yeah man, so we just play the other one.
So yo, ladies, I gave some advice a while ago still, and for some reason, me I think about it. I wonder say if I gave good advice. So this young youth, you know him good time still, him is our only child, so guess what? His mother go extremely hard to make sure say him okay, and for like the last couple of years, his mother been living overseas and his mother left him in a one good position. I want to tell you that him a anger business, good you know. He have business on a good level, so a while ago, he give me a little rose, so I carry him down with some things. So, he said, Biggs, I asked him, sit in, I say, yeah man. He said, oh you know when a girl rate you and you know things she rate you for. So the question when I ask me say, oh you know when a woman truly rate you and you know beneficial things make she rate you. As me say, I gave him some advice. Ladies, so now he tell me if me give him good advice. I just gave him my point of view. Me say, brother, the same time she call you, anyhow I just talk she want to talk to you. That's why she call you. Anytime she call you, she just want to have a conversation with you. That's why she call you. You see, anytime she come over your house, she just want to spend time with you. Because she want to spend time with you. And anytime she invite you over, she just want you to spend time with her. She just want you there with her. I say as long as, you know, every time she call you, she ask you for something. And as long as every time she call you, she not put in something where she want or tell you say, or this she want, then you know say, she rate you. See, as long as when she call you, she just want to have that conversation there with you. When she call you, she just want to ensure she talk to you. When daylight, she just want to ensure she talk to you as before she go she bed. As long as when she call you, she not ask you for nothing and she not dung in you. Say she want this and want that. Then you know say, she truly rate you. And for your sister she rate you, do your best to take care of her. I'm not saying that True, you might in the position where you can gear just about anything. If you just rapidly been doing it like that. But as long as your sister she truly care about you, do your best to take care of her. That means you surprise her at times and sometimes you just give her things where she not even expect. Say she a go get. But as long as your sister every time she want to have a conversation, because she only wish to talk to you. And anytime you see she come over, she only come over because she want to spend time with you. Anytime she invite you over because she want you to spend time with her. I say, yo, me tell you something. You see, as long as every time she want that thing there, are you she call, and every time she feel for it, are you she call, and every time she say she want it, are you she call, then you know say she truly rate you. As me say, I gave some advice. Some people and the ladies them tell me what you think of the advice when me give the young man. Was it
Yeah, man. So that was actually more of a recommendation, but yeah, man. But story like anyway. So what he's actually saying that he actually gives some advice to a young man where relationship is actually concerned, and he actually mentioned some good things where the relationship is actually concerned, or if you actually go about it. Yeah, man, that was very good. So, yeah, man, that was very interesting as well. Anyway, peeps, let us roll on to the next one. Uh, yeah, man. All right, so this is actually the last story. Yeah, man. So, I actually watched this one already. Very interesting. All right, so we just can just listen it and then we talk about it.
People, I walk out in my room. But me have something for ask you now. I may not bring down nobody. I may not nobody bring me down. But just want to ask a question. And anybody who want to give one fair answer, give me. I walk around in my room. I go ask the question because it bother me. So me have my son at Jamaica. And me make him, and me leave him with his mother. But I me response for him, and me send him to school. And me buy the car, kill them, the Nike them, the clocks them. And me give the lunch money them, and me do everything. My son grow up big. And I tell him, say, yo, you hear me? Daddy ready for help you, know. Anything you want to do, just go and go think about it and tell me, and if it's a good idea, then me will help you. First, he come up with one thing and say, you hear me, daddy? When you buy one taxi for me, you come here, my friend them run taxi. I say, my youth, you have a license? He said, no. I say, go and get your license and buy your car. I call him for months and months and months, he can't get no license. Plus, he can't collect the money I Western Union, I send for him, because that man ain't going to look no ID, and that man there 1920. And then I want to go look my ID. Every time I send money for him, I'm friend and collect it. My cousin friend and like dog and tell him, say, no, because I know him have to pay on if I collect it. Yeah, I'm not, no, daddy, we not give him nothing. I say, you know everything will go on. You know have your money down at Jamaica going to your friend them, just come from foreign and you not give them none. Rest of them guy, rest of them going to collect for you. Say him fight and fight and fight until he get him one ID. I said, dog, I don't buy you no car because you have no license. No, my friend, daddy, me take care of the car. I said, no, so car go. Suppose your friend kick off, you can't even go for your car. You have a license, you don't have none. You as the boss of you have a license. Him man a bend for me, I say, if you buy a car, make him friend of it because my friend I got to take you right and where I said, dog, next. The man come up with a shop idea. Say, man cook and sell food and sell clothes. I say, yes, boy.
Yeah. If you can cut the video right there, so yeah, man, that is a real father, eh? That is a good little business, eh? But buy taxi and give your bridging for do, eh? Power up night and mash you up, eh? I mash up your father money. How kind of business that, eh? A joke thing.
I love that one, yeah. Love that one, yeah. Me will help you where you want to. You go find one shop where they broke down and say, I rent it from a man. I say, go and go find the owner. You find the owner, I talk to you, owner man say, yes, man, I'm going to boom and send in the money, go give. If you fix up shop and show me where I fix up and walk on, I tell you, alright, I full up some barrel and send go and give and keep on sending some barrel until you bill. You know what I mean? And them they think they are fear, everything are fear. I send a barrel and you send it a fear. Just put what you want in a barrel. Tell me what you want in a barrel and anything there. But anyway, I go jump forward to Melissa now. Melissa, blow down the liquor shop. And the dog called me and say, yo, daddy, nothing not go on, you know.
Alright, so sorry if I kind of cut the video right here. So this is actually a recent video, guys. You know, because we actually come out from actually come out of the storm Hurricane Melissa. So this is actually a recent video. Yeah, man. So yeah, man, he's a good father, man. You know, good role model. But we will finish here, man. Say.
Melissa slap her liquor shop in her area. I say, me know my responsibility, man. When this time over, I know. So we have bill back here now. You not tell me, you know, we have bill back now. So he called me and say, how much money you need? He said, daddy, first, I need like probably 50,000 or something like that. I remember watching tell me, say, I need to buy a couple sheets of zinc and blow off their piece of plier or something. For can't say blow off it. Set it back up and I say, all right. One day I'm up on the road and I say, you know, I send the money to give the man right now. I'm going to the Western Union and I say, all right. Send it, give him, I call him and I say, yo, I soon call you back and I send some money come. I call him back and I say, my yo, you hear me? I don't know what I do with my ID. Call me and searching on my car everywhere. I'm over my yard. I don't know I can't send the money come. I say, John, no, daddy, I want the money. And I say, all right, I'm going to find out my friend them. You know, so I'm going to find out my friend them. And go me and my friend go in the Western Union and I'm going to go roops and send the money, go give him, talk to him all in the Western Union. Dog, you see if I talk to the man in the Western Union and send the money, go give him. And nearly 2 weeks, dog, the dog called me back, you know. So I say, man, you did get the money?
This is something to laugh about, eh? No, he may tell me say a good father like this and a son actually treating father like that. That is bad, brother. Eh? No, man.
He say, yesterday, of course, Mr. Dog. Me send the money with one stranger can give you. And you got the rest of you and go pick up the money. And you know call me and tell me, say, yes, daddy, me get the money and everything, all right? You know long me did I wait for you call me. Even though me know when Jamaica people don't call it, then get it. But me I say, dog, you couldn't even call me. Sorry, you don't know why the dog call me. The dog say he want some more money. Got that money there. I have to buy the plywood in the shop now and him hungry and want food now and if he send back the next money. I say, dog, you make me feel so bad. You come like you only call me for when I want money. How? Tell me, say, I got to tell the dog that. Yeah, the man tell me, say, then look at money there when me I send come give him. Him there no nothing.
Ungrateful pitney, man. Ungrateful pitney, brother. Yeah? No, you tell me now, a father will actually look out for you then kind of way there. And I really pass them kind of remarks. But I don't know no peeps, but I tell you. Yeah, man. Disappointing, man.
I want $200 may have sometime when nobody now give me. When I find me if somebody give me $100, I'm so happy I say thank you. And me send the money go give the man me 2 bills. The man say, daddy, that no nothing. Me say me know say no nothing, but you not appreciate it, dog. Oh, me are going like a things that are rare. So all I know. So how come when me don't send it give you a ball? And I say you're hungry and you want it, and when me send it come give you, tell me say no nothing. You tell me. Is $200 and $300 something in Jamaica is nothing, like for real? No one know because this a boy make me feel but
No, man. I rate the you and I rate you, brother. Tell you honest truth. As a father, yeah, man, I look out for you then kind of way there. Eh? I could have him $50 you send go give the man, brother. He's supposed to appreciate that. Yeah, man, but that's all life goes still. There are some people that doesn't appreciate nothing.
because me always say, all the 2 bills there, man. All the 3 bills there, man. Because I'm a son and I'm a big man, but me not make him stay broke. So when he get 3 bills, he get a nice money, he get 2 bills, he get a the man say no that. And from one day, him big son no call me back. What me fi do? Me fi call him and tell him say sorry. Me fi call him and send some money we go give him. Me fi call him and talk to him. Me fi call him and be vexed and be mad and want to war him. What me fi do? Me don't know what fi do. Me whole little plan if he can't come and find but me not ready for him yet. What me fi do? As a parent, as a father, no man, somebody talk to me. Me stress out.
Well, me stress on me in the situation. Yeah, man. So we actually come to the close of the video, guys. Yeah, man. If you actually make it so far in the story, give a thanks. Yeah, man. Just do the right. Give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, man. Like, comment, and share. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, man. Show some support. Yeah, man. So the aim of the video, as I actually said, is just some stories. Me actually, um, actually come across and me decide to kind of just share it with you. Yeah, man. It was a good vibe. Actually learn some stuff from the stories because they're actually um, real life stories. Yeah, man. So anyway, until the next video, yeah, man, give a thanks, Gabidan Family TV, one done. Yeah, man, give a thanks. Anyway, guys, just do the right thing. Yeah, man, stay safe, do the right thing. Yeah, be real to yourself and others, Yeah, man, bless up yourself. I'm out.